Hey guys, what is up? Happy Banjo Dude here, back with another lesson. I want you all to go to PacSun right now and get some puka shell necklaces and frost your tips, because we're going back to the 90s and learning the classic song Truly, Madly, Deeply by Savage Garden as covered by Yoke. Be sure to click on the link to my website, get the chord chart, and follow along. That's right, it's a chord chart this week. That'll make it a lot easier to follow along. It's just the same strumming pattern all the way through, not even using finger picks or guitar pick, just my fingers. So this is a great song for beginners if you just want to sit and strum your banjo. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. Truly, madly, deeply.
All that you need.